So hey guys, today we're going to see how to use vlookup in Microsoft Excel. So here we have a list of countries, and here we have another list, a short list. So say you just find out, your manager says that tell me if these lists are added to these countries are added to the list. What do? You check one by one. Well, that is time consuming, especially if you have more than just 5, say 50, 60. What do you do then? Then you can use this vlookup formula. So you press equal to, just like you start using a formula, then type vlookup. In vlookup, you first field is the thing you're going to search, L11. Okay, and then give a comma. Comma is important. Then click on the whole column, so EE, that will select the whole column. Then I'll give another comma, then give the column index. So this can be treated as a table with a single column. So index for this country column is 1 itself, as there is no other column. Then you give true or false. False means exact match and true means approximate match. If some relation is found, then also it will give a result in case of true, but we're going to give false to get the exact result. Now as you can see, this Armenia is fetched from this column. Okay, similarly, if you drag it down, it will automatically adjust for the other columns and bring the result. Okay, now if I drag it further down, as you can see, no result is available. If I copy here Bahamas, again we get Bahamas, but if there is a slight different country name, say different country, COUNTRY, it's gonna give you not available. What you can do then is apply other filtering methods and all to get the number of countries which are not added yet. So that way you can get all the list of countries that are not added. You can use it in different cases. But that's all. That's how you use vlookup. And just to clear any confusion, I'm going to show you how to use it in case of bigger table. For example, say you want to use vlookup to find out what is the population of the country Armenia. So in that case, what you do is you use the country as the first column. The index has to be first, then select the whole table. Okay, then sorry, I forgot to give a comma. Let me select again, then a comma, then you select the whole table, then you give another comma, then I need population, so that would be column number 2. I will give 2, then a false, and enter. This will print out the population of Armenia. If I drag it down, it will do the same for other countries as well. Okay, so Afghanistan, it will give me the number again. Say you want other column, instead of 2 you can just type 3. 3 will give me the landmark number, sorry, land area kilometer, which is 28000. And in case if I copy it to Afghanistan, we'll get to know the exact number. Yeah, 65860, as you can see, is the same. Similarly, if you change it to say Afghanistan to 4, it will give the 4th column, which is the density per kilometer, population per kilometer. Similarly, you can use vlookup for your needs. And that's all in today's video. I'll be back with a new video. Until then, goodbye.